Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today it's a very simple unboxing. We're just unboxing a SmallRig, what they say or call is a super clamp. So this clamp has 1/4 and 3/8 holes, threaded holes built into it. I don't really call this a super clamp. This is like a mini clamp. If you've seen a super clamp, I'm using the ones that I normally use at the moment. They're actually doing a job, but a super clamp is bigger than this whole box and basically solid metal and will clamp onto pretty much anything. So I'd call this more of a mini clamp. But anyway, we'll open it up and have a look at what it is and see. I'll give you my initial thoughts. Of course, you'll see what's in the box as well. Okay, so it's got quite a bit of packaging. We'll get that out. Okay, so we've got a guarantee card. You've got some instructions if you scan that, and some other information on the back. I don't think I'll probably need any of that. I'll stick the box just here. We'll have a look at this clamp. So it's wrapped in paper, which is probably better than plastic. Okay, so there's actually 2 clamps in here. All right. Okay, like I said, it's more of a mini clamp rather than a super clamp, but it is made of solid metal. These joints actually do move here, so if you unscrew it too far, probably they'll fall out, but I can perhaps test that. So it'll open up fairly wide. Obviously it's no real super clamp, but that's going to go around probably a 1-inch, you might get that around a 1-inch pole of some sort, maybe on the edge of a desk. It'll go on the edge of my desk that I've got here, which is more than 1 inch thick, and you can still wind that out a little bit further, although probably the angles here start to become ineffective if you wind it out too far, especially if you put any sort of weight on here. But what you can do with this is you can get like a clamp with 2 ball heads that have 1/4 or 3/8 threads on them, and you can screw that in here, and then you can do something like mount a phone holder on there, something like that, or mount a action camera base, which I don't have one handy. I thought I did, sorry about that. But yeah, so this can be used for so many different things. Mounting an action camera, maybe perhaps a microphone of some kind. I'll probably use it to mount a V-mount battery. So you can use this, if the pole is horizontal, you can clamp onto that horizontally, or you can do it vertically, and you can make use of both of these holes that way. You can, or you could, also put a light stud in here, so you could put a smaller light. You wouldn't be putting a big light on here, not without some sort of extension. But that is the SmallRig, what they call super clamp. And you can see the number here. You can get these in various places. I got mine from Amazon. You can get them from eBay, etc. I'll put a link in the description of the video as well. But yeah, I think the rest is pretty self-explanatory. As for an unboxing, I'll leave it there. I may go into more depth in a separate video on how you can use these to give you some ideas. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye for now.